This video, we're going to look at Chondrichthyes classes or subclasses, I guess. So there's two subclasses. There's Elasmobranchii and there is Holocephali. So Elasmobranchii, these are sharks, skates, and rays. Here's a picture of some sharks, right? And you got some big ones. You got like the whale shark and the basking shark, and then you got the mega mouth shark, which is small. It's kind of weird. There's some sharks. There's the pygmy shark there. That's the kind we can all be cool with. 937 species of Elasmobranchii, a very specific number. So there's some different orders that we're going to talk about. The first order is Carcharhiniformes. There you go. Word of the day and probably butchered. These are ground sharks and are the typical shark that we are familiar with. They're located mostly around coastal waters. This includes like the tiger shark, which you see there, the hammerhead shark as well. There is the order Lamniformes. Lamniformes is large pelagic sharks. Okay, so what does pelagic mean? Pelagic, see where this guy's at? He's out in the middle of nowhere. That's the pelagic zone, basically the open ocean, not near the coast. These are the ones that are typically more dangerous to humans, like the great white shark. The mako shark is an example of Lamniformes as well. Big sharks, Squaliformes. These are dogfish sharks. Typically, if you dissect a shark in a lab, like if you take a college course where you dissect a shark, then you will be dissecting Squaliformes or a dogfish. Then there's Rajiformes. These are skates, and we'll watch a video on the difference between skates and rays, but it essentially has to do with their morphology. And then Myliobatiformes. Sometimes these are called batoids, and that just means bat-like. So if you look at it, it looks like a bat, and these are rays, typically bigger than skates. And this is a really big ray called a manta ray. Like stingrays are examples of batiformes. And then there's subclass Holocephali. These are chimeras. All right, a chimera is like a mix between like a goat and a lion and a unicorn and a lizard and dogs maybe or something. That's more of the fantasy version of a chimera, but there's a chimera there. I don't really know why they have that name. They're very similar to Elasmobranchii in anatomy, but instead of teeth, they have these flat plates that are fused to their mouth and their upper cranium. I don't think I have a picture of it. Their upper jaw is actually fused to the cranium as well. And so these are going to be, a lot of times the holocephali creatures are called things like after animals on the shore, like a ratfish or a dogfish or some of the other sort of things. I don't know what some of the other ones are, but this is a very unique type of organism that is found usually in deeper waters.